I've got this awesome Vizvera phone case, and it is for the S26 Ultra. My phone finally arrived. I don't even like activating a phone before I put a case on it. So this just arrived. Well, actually, I got this first, then the phone came. But let me show you here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. I like to start at the top like that, and then just push it in. Perfect for the S Pen, that's right there. Perfect for accessing your charging cable. I can even show you that. Can fit my charger in, no problem. And then also we've got the side buttons here. These line up perfectly. Again, the camera with this nice slide and lock feature, as well as the wallet with the RFID protection. So you can fit your ID, credit cards, even a little cash folded up in this beautiful case. So again, this is the Vizvera phone case in black for the S26 Ultra.